Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to change the SSH port in Kali Linux. In the first video of this section, I will show you the how to enable the SSH, and this in this video I will show you the how to change the default SSH port in Kali Linux. Because the default port is not safe, so that's why we will change the uh, default 2020 port to 222, right? So let's get started. So you can see that my Scala Unix server is listening on 22 port. So you can see that it's listening on 22 ports, right? Which is the default ports of the SSH. So we will change the port 22 to 222, right? Before doing that, you need to access the super root. So now I'm logging into root, right? So you need to change the SSH underscore config file, right? Right. So SSH d underscore config. Hit enter. Here you can see that the 22 port is committed. Uncheck it, right? So and change the port 22 to 222. Save and exit. So now you need to run the command service ssh h restart. Now we will check again what port he is listening now. So you can see that the SSH is listening on 222. You can see that. So we will log in again and check that the putty is working fine or not. I will I am exit the session and log in it again. This time I will enter the port 222, and you can see that it's connecting on 222 port. So that way you can change the port default port 22 to 222. So that's all. Thank you for watching my video.